Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Thursday, February 3rd. Let's look at our number corner calendar. We've been studying congruent shapes as we've looked at our calendar cards each day. Let's see what we'll find out on today's card. Wow. We have two rhombuses. Two rhombuses. They have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides each. Both of them have 4 sides. And I want you to think about it. Remember, we talked about if a shape is congruent, they are the same size and they are the same shape. Are these rhombuses congruent? Yes or no? If you said yes, then you are correct. Good job, All Stars. Let's go to our calendar grid and add that information in for this day. Today is the 3rd of February, and we had rhombuses, and each rhombus had 4 sides and 4 vertices. And we did find out that shape A is congruent to shape B. Very important, very important. So look at that. Rhombus, rhombus, 4 sides, 4 vertices, and it is congruent. As we continue on with our number corner information, we are now going to go to add more days in school. We're adding another day. Which now makes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. Ooh, if we're at 94 and we're trying to get to 100, which is up here at the top, how many more days do we need to make it to 100? We have 94. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would mean 94 plus 6 equals 100. Very important. Trying to teach you how to add using bigger numbers. That is something that is important. So now we're going to change our information on the other page so that we may continue to keep showing what we are learning. We'll change it to 94 here. Four. We have 70, 80, 90. 4, and then we will add it, make it 4 pennies. Good job, All Stars. We're going to add another cube to our collection. Ooh, let's see. Ooh. Wow. Ooh, this time we're adding 9 cubes, not just 1 cube, 9 cubes to our collection. Wow. Let's see. Let me make it a different color so you can see the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, we've collected quite a bit just in 3 days. 3 days. All Stars, I have a job for you today. Today, I need you to pull out your Number Corner workbook. Looks just like this. The cover of your book looks just like this with blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. And you're going to turn it to page 31. Page 31 in your Number Corner workbook. Pause the video now if you need to go get your book and then come back. What I'd like to do, All Stars, is take that page 31 and help you get started with working on it. What you're going to do on this page is this. We have 8 different problems on this part of the page where you have to count how many cubes you have in part A. So we know that each long, which is a group of 10, is equal to 10. So for example, this one, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, and then we have some that are not part of a long. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. You would actually write that answer right on the blank that is in that box. And you go to the next one and do the same thing. You don't have to count each one of these individual longs. We know this is a group of 10, just as I told you. This was 10 here, and then this is 10, so 10 plus 10 is 20, plus another 10 is 30, plus another 10 is 40. So when you get to these, I don't want you to worry yourself or stress yourself out about counting each one of these cubes. That would take forever. You just know this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now you have to count how many you have here that are not part of the long and put that answer here. I'd like you to do that for all of these that are on the top. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Once you do that, you are then going to go down to the bottom of the page, and it's going to ask you to fill in the missing numbers. They've sort of given you a clue. You start at the number 40 with this number line, and you end with the number 80. But if you look at the clue they gave you here, they actually wrote in the number that comes after 40. 40 and then 45. So we have 40. 45 something, and then 50. What could that be, All Stars? Are we counting by tens, or are we counting by fives with this number line? After you fill in this missing number, All Stars, then you're going to think about, okay, you have 40, 45, this number you filled in, 55, and you're going to continue to count in that same pattern until you make it to the number 80. Off you go, All Stars. I know you can do it. We'll check your answers later. Thanks.